Hello, Martino for Petito Construction. This is Joel for Magnet Marketing SEO. I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can beat your competition online. Now, I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to waste mine, so I'm going to make this as quick as possible. If at the end of the video you want to hear more information, let's set up a 10-minute phone call to talk more. If not, no problem. Take these tips I'm going to give you and you could apply them to your site. First thing we'll talk about today is content. So I'm on your homepage now. You guys have done some really nice work here. That looks amazing. And, I like all the stuff that you guys have done. You guys really don't have too much content on your page. One thing you could do, and you may have done this, so let's just take a quick look. So if we go to save this image, if you could save this as a keyword, but you guys, it looks like you've saved it as just, the picture number. That's one place where you could either put your business name or a keyword just to get some more content. But ideally, you want to have 1,500 words of content on your homepage. And to be honest with you, 99.9% of companies do not. That's one other reason why it would set you apart, and it would help with you being found on Google. The other reason is that you can put more keywords and keyword phrases such as construction, Staten Island, New York, or even like contractor, Staten Island, New York. We could put that into those keywords into that content. All right, so if we do a search on Google, and this is something that a new customer would put in, looking for services in that area. Normally you would see the ads showing up first, like for most Google searches. We're not seeing them. It might just mean no one's paying for them. We do see one ad here in the map section. But the second thing you'll see, but the first for you guys in this search that I've put in here, is this map section. And you're going to find the top 3 companies showing up here, plus any ads. And this is just based on citations. They're in this preview window where you can click the rest of them. And that's just based on citations, which is when you get your business name, address, and phone number listed together into a directory site, such as Yelp, Yellow Pages, Home Advisor, just to name a few. And then after that, we're going to get to the organic section. These don't show up randomly. This is all based on our keyword here, construction, Staten Island, New York, and Google's algorithm for how companies are listed based on their content, site words, etc. So I want to just kind of look at this. So there's 10 results per page that will show up. So if you want to be on the first page for any keyword search, such as what we've put in, right, then you have to be in the top 10. And that's really where all the traffic is. If you're past the top 10, you're not going to get much traffic. And if you do, it's very, very little, right? So you've got to be in the top 10. So let's just rank this term real quick. Number 1, Yelp. Number 2, Yelp. Number 3, another directory. 4, Better Business Bureau. So we have a ton of directories showing up for this area. So what I want to do next is I'm going to take your website, okay, petitoconstruction.com, and I'm going to plug it into a program I use called Eris. And if we look here, we can see that you guys do have a header on your homepage. You have the word home. That is a little redundant, though. You don't really need to say home on that. You could just have your business name, or you could put another keyword, which is going to help you get found for people that are searching for your services. After that, let's look at your actual site here. So think of the internet as a popularity contest. Whoever gets the most votes, they're going to get the most attention, the most views, and so on. In this case, we want visitors to our site, right? So right now, you guys have one referring domain. That's just a website online that has a link on it. And if someone clicks that link, it's going to bring them to your page, or a backlink, right? So one referring domain giving you one link back to your page. And you guys do currently have one keyword, and it's probably your business name. We'll take a look here in a second. And this is what really does drive views and visitors to your site. So definitely you're going to want to add more of those, and you're going to want to add good ones. Part of this, though, is that you don't have really any content on your page. And if you have that and we put keywords into it, it will make a huge difference in the visitors to your page. But right now, this one keyword that you do have is bringing you 0 visitors. So let's just take a look at this keyword, and the traffic there is actually on a monthly basis. Okay, here we go. So your business name, roofing, that's a good keyword. 300 people do search it, and you guys, this one on number 58. So remember that the top 10 results and 10 per page. So 58 is going to put you at the bottom of the 6th page. And the problem is nobody is that determined, even though they're searching you by name, to go to 6 pages to find you, right? So most people, even if they do search you by name, they're only going to go to the first page. They're not going to go past that. But the good thing about having your name on here as a keyword is that this is people that are looking for you. They're searching you by name. That means most likely it's repeat customers, or it's referral business, right? They saw your sign, someone told them the name, but they didn't have the info because they punched it into Google. So you do want this, but you also want to have phrases or keywords that are going to bring in new customers, like what we searched initially. Just as a comparison, I'm going to take Stout Building Remodeling here. I'm going to plug them into Ahrefs as well. And we see they have 32 referring domains or websites that have links on them. And those are sending them back 102 links to their page. They have 114 keywords they can be found with. And that's driving 92 visitors to their site per month. So let's take a quick look at their keywords here. So here's their name, Stout Homes, Stout Construction. That's 150 on Stout Homes, number 1 for that one. Stout Construction, another 200, and they're number 7, so towards the bottom of the first page. They've jumped up a large portion there. But then we want to find new customers, right? That's where these keywords come in. Staten Island Construction, 60 people search it. They're number 3. So you want to be top 10. After that, the goal is to get top 5 and then top 3 if possible. Stout Home Builders. Okay, let's skip that one. That's them. Staten Island Builders. That's a good one. 20 people search it. They're number 1. So you can see the difference, right? For all of these top, 10 or so phrases, and a lot of them are their name, they're in the top 10, and most of them, they're top 5. And what you're seeing is that that's really bringing a lot of traffic. But they are getting, I would say, the majority of the traffic from their own name. So they are having a lot of word of mouth business. All right, so that's just a little bit about content backlink citations. We could definitely get you a lot higher up in the rankings. We just got to add content to your page, get you some more keywords, and we could have you outranking your competition, I think, fairly quickly based on the numbers that we're seeing. Thank you for watching today. These free tips are, you guys can use them. Only thing we do ask is we're going to follow up for some follow-up with you. We'll give you a call probably tomorrow. All we ask is just what your thoughts were on the video. Thank you for watching and have a good one.